Welcome to the 7th tutorial on living the Christian life. We will be looking at the importance of the local church to the parish, how the local church helps individual believers and the local area, and ecumenism. A parish is a community of local believers within a particular denomination. The parish priest cares for the parish and its people. The local church plays an important role in the community's life together. Living in that community encourages Christians to put their faith into action in everyday life, such as being a good neighbor and caring for those in need. It is a place for Christians to gather as a community. It provides a place for regular worship through church services, and special services like baptisms, weddings and funerals. It is also a place to learn about Christian beliefs and way of life and receive care and advice from the priest and church officials. The Bible calls the church the body of Christ, and Christians believe the church is holy and belongs to God. The church's mission is to preach the gospel and to make God's kingdom a reality in their own local community. The local church is a meeting place for local believers and the community of believers who gather there. It supports believers in following the teachings of Jesus in their own lives and encouraging them to be good people. Local churches carry out their mission by offering the church as a community center to bring local people together, by giving spiritual support to the sick, by praying for those in need, by supporting groups that campaign for justice and peace. It offers moral guidance, it tells others about Jesus, which is known as evangelism. It provides outreach to the poor and needy. Outreach is an activity to provide services to people in need. It supports young adults with advice on jobs, finance and homes. It gives friendship and help to the elderly and also raises money for charity. Ecumenism is a movement that tries to bring different Christian denominations closer together. It tries to create unity and friendship between them. Supporters say that closer union will lead to tolerance of different ideas, mutual understanding of the Christian faith, less discrimination and conflict, and friendship among Christians. In the exam you might be asked to outline 3 ways that the local church serves its local community, explain 2 reasons why ecumenism is important to Christians, or 2 reasons why the local church is important. In summary, parish churches are the center of local religious life, but they also welcome atheists. They preach the Christian faith and help the needy. They offer advice and special services for the important events in people's lives. The different denominations of the Christian church are working together through ecumenism to create greater understanding of each other.